Alex Jones, the infamous mama, wife, and presenter of The One Show, was banned from many of the largest social media sites. Now, my own opinion is, why was she banned? Here she is on This Morning. She never once mentioned Sandy Hook. Fake news. Oh, wait. On August 5th and 6th, the wacky radical right-wing conspiracy theorist Alex Jones had most of his social media and content restricted or banned from the likes of Apple, Google, Spotify, and Facebook. Opinions, as they tend to be, are polarized. Some applaud the decision for taking a stand against hate speech, while others curse it as a breach of free speech. Do I see why they banned him? Yes. Do companies have the right to do this? Yes. Should they have banned him? No. And I'm not just saying this because I had stock in the Alex Jones meme market. There's no denying his controversiality. He's a con artist, an unreliable news source, and I'm surprised he didn't get banned earlier. Now, it's important to remember that this isn't exactly a free speech issue. Facebook and Spotify, for example, are private companies, and they only are in charge of how they want to run their empires. The First Amendment doesn't apply to them. However, I'm mostly concerned about the precedent that this sets. Apple, Facebook, and YouTube all claimed their actions were based off of Jones's hate speech. Hate speech is not a legal term in the United States, so if private companies get too comfortable using it, it could turn into a catch-all term for the censorship of alternative voices. But I don't think the government should get involved either. The last thing you want is your political opponents in charge of what should and shouldn't be censored. Also, because his stuff isn't on YouTube anymore, I had to go to the InfoWars website to get B-roll. That involved me downloading a 4-hour podcast. And you know what I discovered while I was there? He's got some great ideas! I would have never visited his website if it weren't for his banishment, so isn't that a win for Jones? More clicks means more people buy whatever this is, which means more people monetarily supporting InfoWars and Jones. The biggest problem, however, is that he and his followers are now being pushed underground and out of the public eye. Shouldn't we have his crazy ideas out in the open so the people that actually take him seriously can more easily have their minds changed? Shouldn't we not prove their paranoia and conspiracy theories by blatantly censoring their content? The best place for Jones was in the public eye, so his antics can be cited and criticized accordingly, like all media should. The most controversial ideas must be listened to with the most highest of standards. Reporting from Scott Center News, I'm Joseph Gomez.